In today's video, we're showing you how to set up auto tracking. To set up auto tracking on the Reolink app, first go to the settings page of your camera. Tap Detection Alarm and enable auto tracking. Choose the tracking type. You can set the camera to track only person, only vehicle, or both. To raise the accuracy of the auto tracking feature, you can also set the detection zone, detection sensitivity, and object size. To set up the auto tracking on the Reolink client, also go to the settings page of your camera. Click Alarm Settings under the camera list and enable the auto tracking option. Choose the tracking type according to your need. Set up detection sensitivity, object size, and the detection zone if needed. Done. To set up the auto tracking on the Reolink NVR interface, click the Camera Settings button. Click Camera in the left menu list, and then choose the channel you want to set up. Under the Detection tab, enable auto tracking and choose the tracking type. Lastly, set up other detection settings according to your need. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel.